Getting started. This section describes that a map is the visual representation of data files where each data file displays as a layer on the map. MapInfo Pro helps you analyze your data on a map for activities such as appraisal, conservation, forecasting, planning, surveying, demarcating, tracking, or managing. You can tailor maps to your specific uses for analysis. A map is a visual representation of data that has location. MapInfo Pro displays data on the Earth, such as country boundaries, but can also display data that is relative to itself, such as a building floor plan. Seeing data visually on a map gives you the locations of where things are, the relative importance of things through the use of symbols or colors, and the relationships between locations. Data must be in the form of tables. MapInfo Pro displays data tables as layers on a map. Each table is a single layer and a map may have many layers, tables, on display. For more information about how MapInfo Pro represents data on a map, see what is a layer. A data table organizes information by rows and columns, so that you can easily visualize and manage information in a database, such as SQL Server, or in data management software, such as Microsoft Excel. MapInfo Pro accesses data tables in a database directly or lets you import data tables to work with them directly in MapInfo Pro's native .tab format. Figure 3, map displaying 3 layers, capital cities, country boundaries, and ocean layers. A query browser window displays a table with the results of a simple selection. Data is represented on a map as an object, such as a point to mark a location, a polygon to mark the boundaries of a region, or a line to mark a route. Figure 4, a simple map showing store locations as points, circles as sales territories, and lines as roads and railways. For more information about data, see Data, where MapInfo Pro begins. Map Objects, see Map Objects as part of layers. In MapInfo Pro you begin by opening your table of data and displaying it in a map window. Each table you open displays as a separate layer. Before you launch MapInfo Pro, you will need to know where your data tables are located or you will need to set up access to your remote data source. For details, see Working with Data in a DBMS in the Help system. To help you visualize your data and give it context, open a few of the sample data tables that come with MapInfo Pro, such as country and county boundaries, roadways, or city locations. If you have not already done so, install the sample data from the MapInfo Pro DVD. For instructions on how to do this, refer to the MapInfo Pro install guide. You are then ready to launch MapInfo Pro as described under Starting and Leaving MapInfo Pro. There is a lot of information under a tour of the MapInfo Pro user interface that describes how to work with MapInfo Pro. Review this section and the other sections in this MapInfo Pro Getting Started guide to learn how to work with this product. For more information about working with data, see the following topics in the Help system. Understanding your data. Putting your data on the map. Working with data in a DBMS.